If you are still waiting for the latest half-month model of the Huaqiangbei Smart Card Insert Watch and the Shunqing 5.0, this M9, renamed from Shunqing 4.0 to MIUI 1.0 version, features a curved screen S10 appearance with a retractable rotating camera and a 2-megapixel card insert button integration. It features customizable buttons. The new model has removed the battery display, and compared to the interface of the Shunqing 4.0, there is no significant difference. The style still resembles the Apple UI, but the new system starts up faster and has added quite a few more features. Another feature allows you to preset corresponding letters. Open functions fast with gestures. Here we configure it to the letter D. Please note that the letter must be drawn in a single stroke to promptly activate the function. Additional software can be pre-configured, so observe my operation attentively. When we are watching videos, if the watch is tilted more than 45 degrees, it will switch to the next one. This is the newly added rotate feature, and with this type of watch face, you can use the rotate feature to switch. Of course, you can also fix a watch face, and the new model even comes with AI functionality. There are several built-in roles, and this is your English teacher learning English and doing translations. You mother. However, polite language is required. The current built-in AI is still relatively simple and can meet some daily needs. The AI's image generation feature is quite powerful. Watch me operate. I'm not sure what else can be generated. You can try out more than 20 upgrades yourself, like charging animations, sharing watch faces, file transfers, and so on, which you can see in the follow-up videos.